In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a CapCut project quickly and easily on CapCut PC. This is a really useful feature if you want to collaborate with someone, send a project for feedback, or simply let another person access the same edit without having to export everything manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC on your computer and sign in to your account. This is important because sharing features usually work best when you're logged into the same account that owns the project. Once you're signed in, go ahead and open the project that you want to share. Make sure it's the correct project before you continue, especially if you have multiple drafts saved in CapCut. After your project is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This is the button that gives you the options for sending or generating a shareable link. When the Share menu appears, click Create Link. CapCut will now generate a shareable link for your project that you can send to another person. This link is what allows someone else to view or access the project, depending on the permissions available in your version of CapCut. Once the link is created, click Copy Link. This copies the project link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want, like in email, messaging apps, or team chat tools. From there, just send the link to the person you need to share the project with. They can open it directly and access the project using the permissions you've set. And that's it. Now you know how to share a CapCut project in just a few simple clicks on CapCut PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.